Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update firmware on Apple Watch Ultra 3. First of all, make sure that both your watch and your iPhone are connected to the internet. So on your watch you can press the side button and check the control center, check either whether you are connected to Wi-Fi by holding down this icon and seeing if you are connected to some kind of network, or if you have cellular connection type, check if you have mobile data enabled, and on your iPhone also check for the internet connection. Now open the list of all applications by pressing the digital crown once and then scroll to Settings app and tap on it to open. Then in Settings scroll to General section, and once you find General, tap on it to open, and here you're gonna find Software Update. Once you tap right here, your watch will start checking for updates, and if you have some updates like I do, then just tap Download and Install right here. And as you can see, to install the update you have to view and accept the terms on your iPhone. So on your iPhone, all you have to do is unlock it, and you're gonna see a notification on your screen. Tap Open App. Now you're gonna see a terms and conditions. Read them, and once you read them, press agree to agree to them. Then return to your Apple Watch, tap OK, then tap Download and Install once again to confirm. Then wait until the watch estimates the time of the update, and as you can see, about 15 minutes remaining. So right now we just have to wait until the update is downloaded and installed. Then the Apple Watch will restart automatically and the update will be finished. So that's how you update firmware on your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.